Yeah. Good afternoon to one and all. Yeah, is it clear, Amma? Anyone give the reply? Yes.
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. Yeah. Shall we go to start? Yeah. Yeah. Good afternoon to one and all. Yeah. Yesterday we discussed based on the Rolle's theorem that problems based on that particularly the continuous function and also the discontinuous function, and clearly explain like when it is a continuous function that Rolle's theorem is applicable, and when it is not applicable for the Rolle's theorem. And clearly we discussed that I think around the 2 to 3 problems are completed, and totally together in the last class around the 10 to 15 problems are covered, I think. Okay, I think everybody understood how to find the solutions or how to verify the Rolle's theorem with the help of the given function in the certain limits like a comma b only. Yes, I think all are clear. Yeah. Now today we are going to discuss that second method, that is a Lagrange's theorem, and also based on the problem. And clearly I instructed in that our personal WhatsApp group, and also clearly in other ways are also. And today I'm going to discuss that is the second method. And again, you need to do the hard work more and more based on the Rolle's theorem problems. And whoever understand that Rolle's theorem problems, then easy to understand that is a Lagrange's theorem also. Okay. Now I am going to discuss that once again. That is a Rolle's theorem. Just recall of the Rolle's theorem. And here the Rolle's theorem is nothing but let f of x be a function such that it is a continuous function in the closed interval a comma b. And second one, it is a differentiable function in the open interval a comma b. And also the third condition f of a is equal to f of b. Then there exists at least one point c in that a comma b such that f dash of c is equal to 0. Let's see. Let's raise the hands. What is the reason, Amma? Is there any voice is not clear? But my side it's okay, Amma. Yes. Now. Yeah. Okay. Fine.
Clear, sir.
Now clear. Okay. Fine. See, and you remember once again that is a Rolle's theorem. It is a continuous function and differentiable function, and f of a is equal to f of b. And if it is the three conditions are satisfied, then the Rolle's theorem it is almost it is a clear. And if it is satisfied the three conditions, then you need to find out what is the condition. Hmm. Yeah, okay, fine. I came back. See, no problem. It is see, and whoever understanding properly that is a Rolle's theorem, then easy to understand that is a Lagrange theorem. Here, regarding this is the continuous function and differentiable function we discussed properly in the last classes, and moreover that is a closed intervals and also the open intervals regarding the concept also we discussed properly. And here, while we are going to observe in the second method, that is a Lagrange theorem. You see that is a Lagrange theorem is nothing but let f of x be a function such that it is a continuous function in the closed interval a comma b, and also it is a differentiable in the given interval a comma b, that is a small open interval a comma b. And again, then there exists at least one point c in the a comma b such that it is a f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus c is a condition. While you are going to observing the previous Rolle's theorem, you need to observe properly what is the related the same condition. It is the first one. It is almost it is tallied. Yeah, all are clear. This one. Emma. Yeah, it is the Rolle's theorem. It is nothing but one second. Yeah. Yeah. See, it is a Lagrange theorem. What it is here? What did I say? Yeah, am I audible, Amma? Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. It continue where you are going to observing here. It is the Rolle's theorem and comparison to the Rolle's theorem, and this is the Lagrange theorem. The first condition and second condition both are satisfied. Same Amma. Into the Rolle's theorem lo continuous function in the closed interval a comma b, as well as the differentiable function in that open interval a comma b, both are same in the Rolle's theorem. But whereas in the Rolle's theorem, the third condition is required f of a is equal to f of b. But whereas in this Lagrange's mean value theorem, the third condition f of a is not equal to that f of a is equal to f of b, it is not required. But here only the thing is here, if it is satisfied with these two conditions, one is a continuous function in the closed interval a comma b, and the differentiable function in the open interval a comma b, then if it is satisfied these two conditions, you need to check further, that is the third condition. Then there exists at least one point c in a comma b such that f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. And what is the Rolle's theorem, this condition in price of this one? Anybody?
F dash C is equal to 0, sir.
Yeah, same, good. Here, whereas in the Rolle's theorem, f dash of c is equal to 0, and in that, with the help of the f dash of c is equal to 0, you need to find out what is the c value lies in between a comma b. But whereas here, f dash of c is equal to, you need to find out f of b minus f of a by b minus a. And with the help of this is the simplification, you need to find out whether c is the lies in between a comma b or not. Then this is the clarity information regarding the Lagrange's mean value theorem only. Okay, and regarding the Rolle's theorem and what I discussed the last class problem, like a continuous function and discontinuous functions problems are also clearly I sent to our personal group, like my personal notes are also, and even what I discussed in the last class, like in the Zoom wise, that is a PPT also I sent to like the CMS login also. Okay, and today also same like the situation I will send to like to CMS login like this PPT, and same my personal notes are also I sent to like in our personal group also. Okay, everybody just you need to observe properly. Here, see the geometrical interpretation, the Lagrange's mean value theorem is nothing but same like that previously, same whatever the given condition you need to put on the paper, that is a continuous function and differentiable function, that f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a, then there exists c belongs to a comma b. This is the same like according to what I explained in the previously, just you put on the paper, that is a three conditions only it is a required. It is more than it is not required the condition. And see, for example, this is one problem. What it is here, verify the Lagrange's mean value theorem for the function f of x is equal to x cube minus x square minus 5x plus 3 in the interval 0, 4 is the value. Here the problem is the Lagrange's mean value theorem. And here the Lagrange's theorem means just now what I discussed. One is a continuation, second one is a differentiable, and continuous is nothing but in the closed interval a comma b. Differentiable function is the open interval a comma b. And here you need to observe that what is the given function x cube minus x square minus 5x plus 3, and this is nothing but it is a polynomial function. And according to the properties of every polynomial function is also continuous function in the given interval a comma b. Therefore, based upon the property, here it is a function is a continuous function in the closed interval 0, 4 only. Endukante why? Because it is a no way that indefinite value in that particular given limits only, and even the differentiable function. And as well as the properties of the polynomial, every polynomial function is a continuous as well as that is a differentiable function in the given interval a comma b. And based upon the statement, here the given function is a polynomial function, then you put like that according to it is a continuous function and also the derivable function for every value of the given function x only. Now here the thing is you need to find out same like the previously. Here f of a is not equal to f of a, f of b is not equal to equating, then only you need to find out that is a f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus c is a condition. Here clearly given that a is equal to this value is already given that. What is the a value of made? Here a is nothing but it is clearly that is a 0, and again b is equal to that is a 4 only. Therefore, with the help of that 0, 4, then what it is here? The formula f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by that is a b minus a. Therefore, f dash of c is equal to that b is equal to 4. Therefore, f of 4 minus f of a. F of a is nothing but f of 0 by b minus b minus a is nothing but the formula. Everybody remember the formula is also that f dash of c is equal to that is f of b minus that is f of a by it is a b minus a is a value. But here a is equal to that is a 0 and b is equal to 4. Based upon this condition, you need to replace it is a condition. Therefore, f dash of c, then what is
సార్ వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది సార్ మీది.
సార్ మీ నెట్వర్క్ పోయింది సార్.
సార్ మీ వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది సార్. హలో సార్. హలో సార్. హలో సార్. సార్
yes
సార్ ఉన్నారా?
Kuma?
సార్ మీ వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది సార్.
సార్ ఉన్నారా సార్? మీరు వినిపిస్తలేదు సార్ మీ వాయిస్, అసలు మొత్తం పోతుంది, స్టక్ అయిపోయింది.
ఇప్పుడమ్మా
ఓకే సార్.
ఇప్పుడు ఓకే సార్.
okay. Here, whatever the formula that is f dash of x is equal, that is f dash of c equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a, then what is required? First, we need to require that f dash of c only. That f dash of c is nothing but what it is here required. That is f of x is equal to, first you find out what is a f dash of x. Therefore, f dash of x is equal to that is a 3x square minus that is a 2x minus 5 is a value. Now it is f dash of x is equal, this one means what it is here, we require that f dash of c only. That f dash of c is nothing but that is a 3c square minus 2c minus 5 is a value. Therefore, by using this is the f dash of c, then you replace that f dash of c is equal to that is 3c square minus 2c minus 5 is equal to f of b. That means f of 4 minus f of 0 by b minus c is equal to 4 minus 0. That 4 minus 0 is nothing but it is value of 4. Therefore, you treat it as equation 1 only. Next one, here whatever the required that f of 4, here already it is f of 4. Therefore, f of 4 is required means the in that given function you need to replace that is x is equal to 4. Therefore, f of 4 is nothing but after replacement of here there is a 4 cube minus 4 square minus 5 into 4 plus 3. Here after that simplification you get that clearly the value is equal to that is a 31. And similarly, you need to find out f of a. F of a is equal to here f of 0. In that given equation, replace that x is equal to 0. Therefore, the value is equal to f of 0 is equal to 3 only. Therefore, now you come to point that is f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Here, f of 4 is equal to already completed is a 31 minus f of 0 is also we completed that is a value is 3 by that is a 4 minus 0 is also it is a 4 and is equal to f dash of c. Therefore, f dash of c is equal to what it is here that is a 3c square minus 2c minus 5. First, we need to simplify that f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Therefore, here that is a 31 minus 3 by 4 is nothing but here after the simplification the value is a 7 only. And here that equation is in that first equation you need to replace that is a 3c square minus 2c minus 5 is equal to 7. Therefore, here after simplification of this one, the equation is a 3c square minus 2c minus 12 is equal to 0. Now you need to find out what is the value of the c. Therefore, c is equal to, as we know that the formula already given that yesterday also, our 8th class basic concept only, that is c is equal to that is a minus b, that is a plus or minus that is a b square, that is a minus 4ac by it is a 2a is a formula. By using this formula, you need to find out what is the value of the c value. Therefore, here with the help of this the equation that is a c is equal to you obtain that clearly 1 plus or minus root of 37 by 3 is the value. Now you need to observe what is the value of this one. And 1 plus or minus root of 37. What is the 37 root of square root of 37? Amma? What is the square root of 37? Anyone? Yes. What is the value of c is equal to approximation?
6.08, sir.
6 point? Yeah, 6.08 plus 1. That means 7.08. 7.08 by 3 is nothing but that is automatically 2 point something value. And even it is a minus if it is a consider same like that 1 minus 6 point something is nothing but minus 5 and minus 5 by 3 is nothing but it is a minus 1 point something. But here one of the value is the value you obtain clearly that is a 2 point something and one other value is it is equal to negative value. But here according to is the Lagrange's theorem, what is that? At least we require to satisfy only one value it is required to satisfy. Therefore, here based upon the condition, it is a 1 plus root of 37 by 3 lies only in the open interval 0, 4. Therefore, here it is satisfied the Lagrange's mean value theorem. Because of one is a continuous function is satisfied and second one is a differentiable satisfied in the open interval and the third condition, then there exists f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Therefore, if it is satisfied all these conditions, therefore the Lagrange's mean value theorem is verified. I think all are clear. All are clear? Please try to understand at least one problem and based upon that all the problems are same like this. Due to that reason clearly I instructed in the last class like even in the WhatsApp also you try to understand that is a Rolle's theorem. Here if you are going to understand that Rolle's theorem then easy to understand. Here one person is asking f of 4 ఎలా వచ్చింది sir? No problem. F of 4 is nothing but here f of x function. In that, what is the function here? This is the function is nothing but it is a f of function. Already given the function f of x is equal to that is x cube minus x square minus 5 into x plus 3. In that you need to replace that x is equal to 4. And you see that in the previous slide, then based upon the previous slides, you may get the solution. That is f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. In that a is equal to the given point is 0 and b is equal to 4 is a value. And any more doubts like this? Now clear? Rule number 60? Yeah, good. Yeah, like this, anybody is having something, any doubts, please try to clarify yourself. Otherwise, you are going to face the problem. Yeah, if you understand one problem, say remaining every problem is same based upon this is the condition only. See, other problem. Verify the Lagrange's mean value theorem for the function f of x is equal to log x in the interval 1, e only. Therefore, here also the logarithmic function. And here, according to I am given the property, every logarithmic function is also continuous function and also differentiable function in that particularly prescribed the limits only. That is also clearly given in that my personal group, my personal notes material. Therefore, here based upon this one, the function is log x. Therefore, logarithmic function is also continuous in the closed interval 1 comma e, and again the derivable function that is open interval 1 comma e. Hence, the Lagrange's mean value theorem it can be applicable here. LMVT is nothing but the Lagrange's mean value theorem condition is applicable here. Therefore, by this theorem, then there exists a point C in the open interval 1 comma e such that f of dash of C is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus c is a value. And here the given function is a limits are a is equal to 1 and b is equal to e only. Therefore, coming to point that is f dash of c is equal to f of b. F of b ante f of e minus f of a ante f of 1. Enduku b is equal to e aitundi, a is equal to 1. Therefore, denominator b minus a is nothing but e minus 1. Therefore, the numerator f of e is required. That f of e ante endamma log x to the base c is a given function. X is equal to మనం replace చేస్తే log e to the base c. What is the value of log e to the base c? The value is equal to 1 only. Minus f of 1. F of 1 అంటే ఎంత? Log 1 to the base c. The log 1 value is automatically 0. Therefore, 1 minus 0 by e minus 1. Therefore, that f of b minus f of a by b minus c is equal to, that is a 1 by e minus 1 is a value. Now you need to replace in that f dash of c is equal to, that is 1 by e minus 1. Therefore, f dash of c. What is the f dash of c? F of x is equal to log x. Then f dash of x is equal to 1 by log x. Therefore, it is a f of x is equal to log x is f dash of x is equal to log x means 1 by x. Then f dash of c is also 1 by c. Therefore, you need to observe properly. Based upon this condition, you get that. Enduku f dash of x is equal to the function is a 1 by x. Now we require that not f dash of x. We require that 1 by 1 f dash of c. Therefore, 1 by c. Therefore, this function you need to replace here f dash of c is equal to, it is a 1 by c is equal to that f of b minus f of e by e, b minus c is equal to the value is 1 by e minus 1. Therefore, 1 by c is equal to 1 by e minus 1. That is nothing but c is equal to e minus 1 is a value. And here, what is the value of e? Anyone? What is the value of e minus 1? Anyone? Yes. Emma, what is the value of e minus 1? Anyone?
$1.718, sir.
1.718. మిగతా వాళ్ళందరూ ఏం రెస్పాండ్ రావట్లేదు నోటకెళ్ళి. E is equal to always the values is lies in between 2 comma 3. That is nothing but 2.713 is a value. Therefore, ante e value is nothing but that is a general common value 2 comma 3, that is 2.713. And here that e minus 1 is nothing but 2.713 minus 1 is nothing but 1.713 is a value. Therefore, 1.713 is nothing but it is automatically that is lies in between 1 comma is a value. Therefore, here the conditions are continuous function is satisfied and the differentiable function is satisfied, and moreover that f dash of c is equal to c b minus c f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Then there exists c belongs to a comma b is also satisfied. Therefore, hence the Lagrange's mean value theorem is verified. Is there any doubt? ఏమ్మా ఏమైనా డౌట్లు ఉన్నాయా? ఇంకా ఎస్ ఉన్నారా జనాలైతే?
ఉన్నాం సార్.
ఉన్నారు సార్. నెంబర్ 21 ప్లీజ్ రెస్పాండ్.
Sir, present, sir.
ఓకే, ఇక నేను టెస్ట్ చేసుకుంటానే పోతే మీకు సెట్ అవుతుంది. మధ్యలో తాపుకోసారి ఒక్కొక్కరు. ఓకే, యా, and we'll go to discuss one other problem. See, చెప్పమ్మా, check validity of the Lagrange's mean value theorem for the function. Continuous అవుతుందా? differentiable aitada aithe what is the value of c? Tell me, try to find out. Take one white paper everyone and again try to find out what is the value of c by using the Lagrange's mean value theorem. First of all, is it continuous or differentiable or something? What is the c value? Take one white paper and do that everyone, same based upon this one. Number 4. Ambar Singh, Golaravin, Harshavardhan, Chaitanya. All are there or not?
Sir.
Chaitanya. రూల్ నెంబర్లతో పాటు జైన్ కాని వాళ్ళకుంటే అటెండెన్స్ రాదు, ముందే చెప్తున్నాను. అండ్ హూ ఆర్ నాట్ జాయిన్డ్ విత్ యువర్ రూల్ నెంబర్, దే విల్ ట్రీటెడ్ యాజ్ ఏ అబ్సెంటీస్.
సార్ మర్చిపోయాను సార్ రీనేమ్ చేస్తున్నా సార్.
రీనేమ్ చేయండి, ముందే చెప్తున్నాను.
ఓకే, ఓకే,
మళ్ళీ తర్వాత మేము అబ్సెంటీస్ పడ్డారంటే కాదు, మా దగ్గర డాటా అందరిది ఉంటుంది.
Sir, C is equal to 3/2.
C is equal to 3/2. Chidambaram, Gautam.
Yes, sir.
C is equal to, one person says something, C is equal to something like that. 2.5. 2C is equal to 5 వచ్చిందమ్మా, C is equal to 2.5 వస్తుంది చూడండి అమ్మా.
Sir, వచ్చింది sir 2.5.
2.5 అమ్మా. It is not 2,5. It is a 2.5 is a solution. 2C is equal to 5. And whoever got that C 2C is equal to 5, that is C is equal to 2.5. That is exactly right solution. And who are not getting that properly, you need to observe properly. You need to get the solution. And here clearly I did the solution. Here the function is a continuous function as well as a differentiable function. Then there exists C belongs to A, B such that f dash of C is equal to f of B minus f of A by B minus A. With the help of this one, it is clearly obtained. This is the required solution. You try to understand properly, then easy to understand. This is depend upon the previous class like Rolle's theorem, but a small changes in the Rolle's theorem and this is the Lagrange's theorem. Yeah, this one. Find a point C such that to satisfy the mean value theorem for the function that is in the interval 0,5. Find out. Kalyani.
Present sir.
ప్రజెంట్ కరెక్ట్ గానీ నువ్వు నేమ్ తోటి జాయిన్ అయినావా అమ్మ టెలిగ్రామ్ లో ఇలా జూమ్ లో?
Yes sir.
మరి ఎట్లయినమ్మా నీకు అటెండెన్స్ రాకుండా నీకే ఇబ్బంది అవుతుంది చెప్తున్నాను.
Okay.
అనుష, అమ్మ అనుష.
Present sir.
ఏదమ్మా నువ్వు కూడా అలాగే ఉన్నావు, రీనేమ్ తోటి చేయాలి కదా. నేనైతే ముందు చెప్తున్నాను, ఓవర్ నాట్ జాయిన్ విత్ యువర్ రూల్ నెంబర్ దే విల్ ట్రీటెడ్ యాజ్ ఆబ్సెంటీస్. తర్వాత మేము ఇబ్బంది పడితే నేనేం చేయలేను, ముందే చెప్తున్నాను. అమ్మా కళ్యాణి నువ్వు కూడా అమ్మా రీనేమ్ చేంజ్ చేసుకో. Yeah, anyone completed that square root of x plus 5? ఫాస్ట్ గా చేయాలి, ఇంకా 10 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి దాదాపు. 2 o'clock అయిందమ్మా ఇది టైం. 9/4. 1 person given the reply. Good. I will try to check it.
Sir 2.25 వచ్చింది sir.
ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు ఇందాక ఒక పర్సన్ అన్నది 2 పాయింట్ అంటే ఓకే. 9.4 ఈస్ నథింగ్. 9/4 ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ దట్. 2 పాయింట్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ దట్. సొల్యూషన్ చేసే ఉంది. ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకోండి. యా 2.5 కరెక్టా? కానీ ఎగ్జామ్ లో మాత్రం ఇలా క్లియర్ గా రాయాలి. ద ఫంక్షన్ ఇస్ కంటిన్యూస్ ఇన్ ద క్లోజ్ ఇంటర్వెల్ 0,5. ద డిఫరెన్షియబుల్ ఫంక్షన్ ఓపెన్ ఇంటర్వెల్ 0,5. సో దట్ ద మీన్ వాల్యూ థియరమ్ ఇట్ కెన్ బి అప్లికేబుల్. దెన్ యూ నీడ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ అకార్డింగ్ టు ద రిక్వైర్డ్ ఫార్ములా. Then corresponding the formula you need to find out and find the solutions. Then only it is the correct proper marks you get the solutions. Yeah, this one. Concept ఇక్కడ clear గా రాస్తుంది. This function is a discontinuous at x is equal to 3, but the given interval is 4,5. That means it is 3 is not applicable. But here, based upon the given interval, it is a continuous function as well as a differentiable function. Then it can be applicable the Rolle's theorem or something Lagrange's theorem. Then you need to find out what is a c value. Module 2 ది నాకు మెయిల్ పెట్టండి అని నేను చెప్పాను. సంబడి ఐ థింక్ ఓన్లీ 1-2 పర్సన్స్ ఆర్ సెండ్ ఏ మెయిల్. మీ సంగతి ఇప్పుడు కాదు కానీ టెక్ టాక్లలో చెప్పేస్తా. మొదటి నుంచి హింట్ ఇస్తూనే ఉన్నాను. కంప్లీట్ అండ్ సెండ్ టు మెయిల్ ఐడి. Number 1.
Yes, sir.
2.
Yes, sir.
Number 5.
Yes, sir.
Number 10.
Present, sir.
Send the answer. Solution this one. X minus 1 by x minus 3. No one completed still. తొందరగా కావాలమ్మా, ఇంకా టైం మనకు తక్కువ ఉన్నది. 10 నిమిషాలు ఉంది. ఇంకా 5-6 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కావాలి మినిమం. ఎనీవన్ సొల్యూషన్? Emma, how much time to take to complete within the like a small problem? It's a small problem. A is given, B is given. Only you need to find out the f dash of C. Unable to get the derivative? అంత సైలెంట్ గా ఉంటారు.
సార్ ఇట్లా క్లాస్ లో ఉంటామా సార్ మేము?
రికార్డ్ అవుతున్నది, అంత సంగతి ఉంటుంది. మీ సంగతి చెప్తాను నేను అప్పుడు. రికార్డ్ అవుతుందని భయంతో సపరేట్ ఉంటారు సైలెంట్ గా బుద్ధిమంతులు. ఎవరు ఎంతసేపు టైం ఉంటున్నారని కూడా మేము అంతా నోట్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం. కొందరు 20 నిమిషాలు, కొందరు 10 నిమిషాలు. Check it. F dash of x is equal to denominator into numerator derivative minus numerator denominator derivative by denominator whole square. Here after that simplification F dash of x, you obtain that clearly minus 2 by x minus 2 whole square. And when you are going to replace in the Lagrange theorem, that is minus 2 by that is c minus 3 whole cube. The thing is f of b minus f of a by b minus a. The value of f of a, that f of 4 is equal, that is a 3, and f of b is equal, that value is a 2 only. Therefore ఇక్కడ అన్ని అయిపోయినాయి. మనకి f dash of c అయిపోయింది, f of b అయిపోయింది, f of e అయిపోయింది. Next, by using all these values, you need to replace the required series. Therefore the value is equal to 3, c is equal to 3 plus root is the value, and 3 plus root is nothing but the value is equal to, here actually the values are ఎంత వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ 3 plus root 2 is a value. The 3 plus root 2 అంటే ఎంత ఇక్కడ 4.41. ఎందుకు root 2 value is nothing but it is lies in between 1, 2 only. Therefore the 3 plus root is nothing but 4.41 is a value. That 4.41 is the 4 comma kadamma, just a small mistake. It is a 4.41 is a value. You need to observe properly. 4.41, that means that according to clearly the given limits are lies in between, that is a 4 comma 5. Therefore it is clearly satisfied. That is a Rolle's theorem, that Lagrange's mean value theorem. Only one person given the reply 3 plus root 2 అనేది. మిగతా వాళ్ళందరూ ఏం చేస్తున్నట్టు? Only one person. Now clear? Yeah. See, now find out this one. ఇది ఇంకా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. ఓన్లీ ద న్యూమరేటర్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఓన్లీ. Everyone try to understanding at least one problem properly, then easy to understand every problem. Only the thing is you need to understand what is the continuous, what is the differentiable, what is the meaning of that closed interval, open interval, and what is that, how to calculate f dash of x equal, that is a condition. A is equal to minus 2 and b is equal to 1 is a value. A solution please. Amma inga 10 minutes undamma, make it fast.
Plus or minus 1, sir.
Plus or minus 1. Plus or minus 1 లో ఏది అప్లికేబుల్ అవుతుందమ్మా?
Minus 1, sir.
Why it is not applicable plus 1?
Because we are taking them inside of the interval, no, sir, minus 2 to 1. So we cannot
Yeah.
consider 1.
That's good. It is the only consider minus 2 only. Why? Because the property is a lies in between c is a open interval a comma b. But here we got it that plus or minus 1. That minus 1 only it is applicable in the given interval, open interval. But 1 is it is a not required condition. That's good. But anyhow, everyone write according to like this. That is a continuous function in the closed interval and open interval in that open like condition, and condition what is the final condition. Now good, Amma. Thank you. And here C is equal to number. Who is rule number 5?
Sir.
Okay. Any other persons? Any other persons? Simple problems are also unable to do. That means what is the problem? Simply eating and sleeping. Huh? Yeah, C is equal to it is a plus or minus 2, but it is a negative value. It is not applicable because of it is a 1, 4 only the given interval. Therefore, C is equal to is a value. And check it. Simple గానే ఉంది, simple problem. ఒక ప్రాబ్లం మనకు మెథడ్ అర్థమైతే ఈజీగా చేసుకుంటూ వస్తుంది. Now number 17.
Sir.
18. 18. 18 not responding. 19. 19. 20. 21.
Sir.
22.
Sir.
No, 22.
Una, sir.
సార్ మీ వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది సార్ 12
అవును, నేను క్వశ్చన్ అడిగినప్పుడు మీకు బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది, నేను సమాధానం చెప్పినప్పుడు మాత్రం బ్రేక్ కాదు. భలే ఉన్నారా మీరు అందరు, నేర్చుకోవాలి మిమ్మల్ని చూసి.
12 ప్రజెంట్ సార్.
Yeah, tell me what is the solution of this one? Anyone? What happened, boys and girls? It is a plus or minus root 3, amma. Yeah, this one.
Plus or minus 2.
Next problem. అమ్మా ఇంకా 3 minutes ఉందమ్మా, మేక్ ఇట్ ఫాస్ట్. ఇంకొక 2 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. Tell me what is the solution of this one? Make it fast. Already here half of the part is completed, f of a and f of b. Only the thing is remaining part f dash of c is equal to. Yes.
Therefore, the 2 minus 4
minus 2 by 3 comma 3 amma. Here minus 2 by 3 comma 3 minus 2 by 3 comma 2. Here the 2 is not required. Why? Because it is a given function is included the 2, but it is not required. We require that inside of the 2 value. Therefore, it is only that satisfied that minus 2 by 3. Therefore, the Lagrange's mean value theorem it is satisfied. I think I hope understand. But the simplification is very important to understand. Here, what we are going to do the problem, then how to do the problem. Whether it is a continuous in the closed interval, or whether it is a differentiable in the closed open interval, and also it is a f dash of c corresponding to the f of b minus f of a by b minus c is the condition. I think all are clear. Yeah, and this one already I think it's completed. Is it completed or not previously? చేయలేదా? కాలేదు కానీ ఇది సేమ్ అలాగే ఉన్నట్టు. x minus 2 by x plus 2 కదా అక్కడ ప్రాబ్లం. కాదు అది వేరే ఇది వేరే కానీ రిలేటెడ్ దట్ వన్. చూడండమ్మా, ఐ థింక్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద లాస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం అమ్మా. ఇంకా 1 minute ఉంది. ట్రై టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఫస్ట్. ఇక్కడ ప్రాబ్లం -2 దగ్గర డిస్కంటిన్యూస్ అవుతుంది, కానీ ఇక్కడ మనకు ఇచ్చిన లిమిట్స్ అనేది -1, 2 ఓన్లీ. దేర్ఫోర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ దట్ x is equal to -2. But here given the clarification, it is x is equal to -2 only, it is a discontinuous function. -6 ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళొచ్చింది ఆయన. This function f of a is equal to f of -1 is equal to -3, and f of b is equal to 2, and f of 2 is equal to what is the value? 0. Therefore, f dash of x means the denominator into numerator minus numerator to denominator by denominator whole square, and in that you need to replace the derivative here. After the derivative, that is 4 by x plus 2 whole square, but in required that f dash of c. Therefore, f dash of c is equal to, that is 4 by c plus 2 whole square is equal to, the value is the numerator 0 minus of -3 by the denominator b minus a, that is a 2 minus of -1. Therefore, that is a total simplification 4 by c plus 2 whole square is equal to, that is a 3 by 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, here after that cross multiplication, you obtain that c plus 2 whole square is equal to, that is a 4. Therefore, with the help of this equation, that is a c into c plus 4 is equal to 0. Take out common c. Therefore, c is equal to, that is a 0 and -4. But here -4 it is not required to in that given interval satisfied. Only that 0 only it is satisfied. Therefore, it is a Lagrange's mean value theorem is satisfied. Correct? ఎవరో తప్పు చెప్పారు ఇందాక. I think one person saying something wrong solution. You try to, whoever saying something the wrong solution, you try to observe that where you are getting that mistake. I hope understand that Lagrange's mean value theorem. Yes. Any doubt, Amma? Okay, shall I wind up? Time in Amma? Yeah.